Today is Memorial Day, and we only have a couple hours until the weather shows it's going to rain. Who knows if it actually will. But we're trying to hurry up and get out to check off a couple boxes off from the waterfall checklist. And today we are heading out to Guppy Falls, out near Skaneateles Lake, and then out to Spafford, New York, to check out Bucktail Falls. Good morning. It's another Sunday fun day. We have a few things in store for us today. Going out to a couple waterfalls, checking out a lake that I grew up at, having fun at as a kid. So it'll be a fun day. Right now I'm just getting the van all ready. Picking up a few things from camp mode, getting it ready for travel mode.
Your destination is on the left.
As we pull in, we notice the base and the trailheads, the conservation area. See a couple people over here reading the sign. Guppy Falls Trail. Down here's a couple picnic tables that are in memory of. We know a friend with a pet named Bella, so this was kind of special to us. Not sure how far this goes in because we did follow the stairs and took the stairs up to the overlook of the falls. Nice aluminum stairs all the way up. They actually went over a couple of the old stairs that you could tell were just withered away. Right there is Miles. We are headed down through the trail right now. Whole bunch of stairs heading to the falls overlook at Guppy Falls. All right, now I've never been here, but right here we're walking into Guppy Falls. Guppy Falls is a 20-foot waterfall sloping over slippery shale with a slight overhang. They say the best time to visit the falls is either early spring or right after a rain, which is definitely not right now. Oh, that's cute. So we came up that way, and we're going to go down on G3. Hey, check it out. Here's a red-spotted newt. These things live 12 to 15 years, and they're native to North America and the Northeast. I just want to go over this very safe-looking bridge. So I can't even lie. I wasn't too impressed with the waterfall here, but this trail system was awesome. Some neat sights to look at. Well-maintained trail. Nice new bridge. And I really want to give it a fair chance and come back at a different time to check out the waterfall too. Did you know butterflies rapidly shake their wings to keep warm? Yes. Butterflies shiver or rapidly move their wings to keep their temperatures up and raise their body temps. They shiver and flap their wings so they can fly and crawl at temperatures below 55 degrees Fahrenheit. I thought that was really interesting. And although most of us refer to this as a monarch, this is actually a tiger swallowtail. Which tiger comes from the stripes on their wings, and the swallowtail is because of the tails on their hind legs that remind them of different kind of the swallow birds. Huh, how neat. Okay, now we are on our way back from Skaneateles and going over towards Otisco Lake, and now we are popping over to check out Bucktail Falls, which is another one on the list. This one's actually, I know right where it is. I've been here a few times. It's right off the beaten path, and we're pulling in right now. This one's cool because you could drive right up to it. This is Bucktail Falls, right near Otisco Lake. Growing up throughout the years, we used to come out here to this place called the Causeway on Otisco Lake, and we just took a trip out here right now to check it out. We just pulled over on the side of the road at a pit stop. Perfect ending for the little adventure to check out those two waterfalls. It showed a 100% chance of rain all day today in the forecast. It's definitely beautiful out. Thanks for sticking around and watching Guppy Falls and Bucktail Falls with us. Keep on coming back, and happy Memorial Day, everyone. I know this is a little late, but I still mean it from the heart. Thanks for watching. Do me a huge favor if you haven't already, and smash that subscribe button and keep on coming back for more. Thanks for watching, everyone.